For this exercise, we'll express the solution set of the inequality in interval notation and graph the interval. So we're given that x is greater than -2. Now this is a strict inequality because it's a greater than sign and there's no equal to sign underneath it. So let's look on a number line. Now we want values of x that are strictly greater than -2, so we do not want to include -2. Because we don't want to include -2, but we want numbers greater than to the right of -2, at -2 on the number line, we'll put an open parentheses. If we wanted to include -2, we would have used a bracket, but we don't want to include -2. We want to go to the right of -2, and that's our graph. Now, what does this look like in interval notation? Well, you can look at the graph starting from left to right. The first thing that you see is -2. So we'll start at -2. Again, the parentheses indicates that we don't include -2. And the interval goes all the way to positive infinity. Anytime we use negative or positive infinity in an interval, we use parentheses because infinity does not represent an exact number.